How to block YouTube channels. So if you want to block YouTube channels, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your YouTube application. So if there's a channel you don't want to see on your YouTube homepage, find a video from that channel and look for the three dots below the video. Tap on those three dots. Once you tap on those three dots, a menu will pop up. Tap on Not Interested. This tells YouTube you're not interested in content from this channel. If you want to go a step further and completely hide this channel again, then look for the three dots again and then tap on it and choose Don't Recommend This Channel. You can either go with Not Interested or Don't Recommend This Channel if you want to block that channel or if you want to stop the channel videos to appear in your feed. If you don't want the channel to interact with you or your channel, you can go with the channel page. So tap on the channel page. Once you're on your channel page, you need to go with the three dots, which is on the top right. Now look for the option that says Hide User from My Channel and click on it. Confirm by clicking Hide User again. This will prevent the channel from commenting, liking, subscribing, or visiting your profile. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.